Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable to Notion Sync for app data. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Airtable to Notion Sync for app data, begin by navigating to the Airtable website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, select the base in Airtable that you'd like to sync with Notion. Next, open Notion in a new browser tab or application. If you don't already have an account, sign up for Notion. In Notion, create a new page where you want to display the synced data. Now, head over to the automation services website, like Zapier or Automate.io. Create an account on the chosen automation platform if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap or Create a Bot depending on the service you are using. For the trigger app, select Airtable. Choose the trigger event, such as new record or updated record. Connect your Airtable account by providing the necessary API key and permissions. Choose the base and table that you set up earlier in Airtable. Next, for the Action app, select Notion. Choose the action event, such as Create Database Item or Update Database Item. Connect your Notion account using the required integration token or method. Select the Notion database where you want the Airtable data to go. Map the fields from your Airtable base to the corresponding fields in your Notion database. Review your settings to ensure everything looks correct. Test your Zap or bot to confirm that the sync works as expected. If the test is successful, save the automation. Now, your Airtable data will automatically sync with Notion based on the criteria you've set. Make sure to periodically check both applications to ensure the integration continues to work smoothly. You have now successfully installed the Airtable to Notion Sync for your app data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.